Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto content. I hope everybody's having a great day or a great night wherever you guys are in this great world. Today we are going to be talking about some XRP bombshells. We're also going to analyze a few things as well and read into them. But we also have to analyze the market, as we do lose 48K on Bitcoin. As you guys already know, I've been calling for about 46K on Bitcoin for quite some time. So hopefully we do get there on this little drop here. It's only about a $2,000 drop from these current levels. So hopefully we do get there. That will be great to see. I think that will be the last capitalization point for anybody who wants to get cheap altcoins or a cheap XRP. I think that we could see $1.10 to $1.05 on XRP. I don't think that we go much lower on that, to be completely honest with you, as we do see most altcoins down about 6 to 10%, Bitcoin down about almost 3%, but we also see the idea of the overall market being down a total of almost 4%. So things still look pretty good. There's not strong, overall support zones being lost or technicals being lost. Things still look fairly good. So with that being said, let's just jump into this juiciness. So first and foremost, I want to talk to you guys about some sell-offs that is happening, right? So obviously we are seeing a lot of, the market basically raging, if you will, in terms of the overall emotions that are pretty much flowing throughout the market. For an example, Bitcoin, right now we do see 12,720 Bitcoin is being transferred. This could be a sell-off, this could be a buy. Like a lot of this stuff, we never know what truly happens with Bitcoin at these points, right? A lot of people will say this is going to be a pump, this is going to be a dump, whatever. The overall idea of this is just the idea of moving something around, getting ready for something that's going to happen in the market. Obviously, we are seeing a little bit of some, FUD come out. For an example, we just seen this article be released 9 hours ago. And this is Japanese financial regulator considers imposing stricter crypto rules in 2022, mid-2022 actually. Now, this is overall pretty much bringing stability to the crypto market while ensuring no damage to the development and innovation within the ecosystem. So this is actually fairly good news if you look at it from that pinpoint, but we already know how people in crypto take things. They pretty much just, invoke on their emotions and trade their emotions. Now we do see here this decision was linked to the hack of Bitpoint, a Japan-based crypto exchange that saw a loss of $32 million. Which this is pretty much that article from 2019. So it's taken nearly almost 4 years, which is crazy to me. Now we also see the hack of the liquid crypto exchange that just recently happened as well. That is why I tell you guys, all right, so I'm not going to try to, I'm not going to try to tell you guys this or anything like that, but I'm just saying, if you guys want to secure your crypto, there is a link down in the comments below for a Ledger X. The Ledger is the safest bet, in my opinion, to secure your crypto. You don't want to hold it on exchanges because exchanges get hacked all the time. Your safest bet is, utilizing a Ledger. So if you guys do want to utilize that link, you guys can. It's totally up to you, but I'm just saying, I don't like these exchanges, especially like Liquid. Liquid was a very sketchy exchange to begin with, but we do see a lot more hacks happening in this market, and I just don't want to see somebody lose a lot of their money. For an example, a lot of people actually invest too much into crypto, and then they're struggling every single day. So if you get hacked, that's a pretty big pinpoint. But we also see with that FUD, we also see that MicroStrategy actually splashes $177 million on Bitcoin. They now hold 109,000 Bitcoin, worth about $5.3 billion. So we do see that, for example, somebody like Michael Saylor is capitalizing on the fear in this market. He's basically buying at 49K, which is crazy to me. Now, in order for this to really be a big change, this would have to be an astronomical amount, but this also provides that idea of emotional trading. So this was 4 hours ago, obviously, but we do see the fact that they are buying at these massive prices due to the idea that we are going much higher this bull run. If you guys already know, this bull run, we are going on a massive journey, and that goes for XRP as well. Do not listen to what's happening in the market in the FUD. For an example, I just want to let you guys know in terms of the overall Ethereum SEC stuff, we do see here. In 2018, Bill Hinman said Ethereum isn't a security and Jay Clayton agreed, but just weeks ago, Hinman filed a sworn affidavit in court saying the SEC still has not taken any position or expressed a view on Ethereum's status. So how is the market supposed to have clarity? And here we go. Robert Jackson, commissioner of the SEC, 6/25/19. Hinman, he gave a speech where he laid out, here's how we think about this. I think Hinman's speech and the chairman's work in this has moved the market forward a great deal. It was not Hinman's opinion. Boom. Retweet. This is absolute bombshells in the making. And when we talk about this, we also have to talk about the idea of this. We do see here, parties move jointly for brief extension of fact discovery deadline to take Garlinghouse and Larson depositions and to extend expert discovery deadline until November 12th, 2021. I wonder why. Is it the idea that they have found significant evidence? Who knows, right? Now, we also see the idea of Bitcoin being very volatile. A lot of people are talking about this, and don't worry, we're coming back to the whole SEC stuff, but I just want to talk to you guys quickly about this. So a lot of my friends that I tell get into crypto, crypto is going to be the future. They always say crypto's too volatile. They also say the same thing about Bitcoin, but we do see here in reality, this is the value of the US dollar over time. And we do see here back in the 1920s, we were ranging. We were worth a lot of money. And then here is the dollar collapsing. It is massive. I'm telling you guys, the dollar itself is overall very, very volatile. Anybody who says that it's not is lying to you, right? So me personally, I do think that it's only a matter of time before the dollar collapses fully, and risk assets like Bitcoin and stocks and stuff like that are going to be the true selling point. But I do think that crypto is the overall, future of this entire market. Now, I do want to go back to this, right? So when we talk about Ethereum being a security, I already told you guys that they held an ICO for $14 million. They also were selling Ethereum in the 2017 bull run, so they would clearly be an overall security asset during that time, right? And especially when we talk about this deadline being, extended and stuff, this is not bad. For anybody who thinks that this is bad news, it's not. November 12th is nothing to worry about. I think that by that time, we won't even have to worry about this SEC lawsuit. But I do want to talk to you guys a little bit about what we could be seeing. For example, when we talk about a massive bull run happening, so I reported on this article yesterday, but I just want to say, he is saying $35 for XRP. Now, this is BitBoy. I personally don't like to follow BitBoy overall. I think that he's extremely uneducated in terms of XRP itself. But let's listen in closely and listen to what he has to say.
But Credible Crypto says the big gains happened in the last 10% of the bull market. Keep in mind that XRP was trading at 22 cents in 2017. And in 1 month, it went up to $3.30. It went 10x in a month, or in a month, according to this text. Something similar can be expected here. I think if we can break all-time highs in the next few months, that we're easily going to go 3 to 5x is very reasonable. And get in 2017, we went 10x. 3 to 5x is easy. $10 minimum is where I'll consider taking profits. We have said anywhere in the $10 to $15 range, the $12 to $15 range for Cardano. It could go up more. He says we have a ways to go is what I'm getting at here. Again, my targets for XRP, as I've said many times, stand at $20 to $30 at the end of this bull cycle, whether it be 6 months or a year from now. So we definitely disagree with him on the timeline there. But I do, and I have said I think I said $35 is the high point here. I think.
Now, I just want to say, I've said $35 to $50. I strongly believe that we could see $50. And you guys might be wondering, well, why? How? How is that possible? Well, it's simple, right? So first off, we're pushing these dates further and further, right? There's a lot of discovery to take place. But when we look into this, first off, here's an actual tweet from Credible Crypto. It's funny to see, especially after watching this, because this is actually coming from Credible as well. But we do see here, give a follow or a like, or just say thanks to Frank. His tweet was cited in Ripple's latest brief, and the email from the SEC states, the SEC has not issued a determination on whether XRP is a security. That email was October 14th, 2020. 2 months before the lawsuit. Boom. The SEC is trying to claim that XRP has been a security since 2013 while saying that they have not issued a determination on whether XRP is a security in 2020, 2 months before they filed their lawsuit alleging XRP is a security. Can we close this case already? And it is comical. This is funny because this goes all the way back to when the overall lawsuit was actually imposed, right? And here we go. This is actually from Frank, okay? And we do see here, Ripple SEC News, Hester Pierce. I have bought XRP early, 2018, and wasn't sure if I bought a security because there was no decision yet. So I asked the SEC, here's the answer to my concerns. Are they lying to me? We do see here, help at sec.gov. This is legit. We do see here, thank you for your recent email to the US SEC. We appreciate the opportunity to review your additional concerns about Ripple XRP cryptocurrency. Please be advised that the SEC has not issued a determination on whether the cryptocurrency XRP is a security. Whether a cryptocurrency is considered a security will depend on the characteristics and use of the cryptocurrency. As we have suggested, you may want to review Chairman Jay Clayton's statement regarding cryptocurrencies and initial coin offerings at, and then they have the link. Now this is great to see because first off, this is October 14th, 2020. 2 months before this lawsuit. Now, this is clear evidence, okay? Now, obviously, I know that they don't want the XRP community, getting into this juiciness because we've already seen that overall with Johnny Deaton reporting on that. But I just want to say right now, this is a clear, evident sign that the overall SEC case has holes in it. The ship is taking on water, and it cannot take on too much more water. They're trying to reach, that's what the whole Slack message evidence is trying to get to, is reaching and reaching and reaching, trying to find something to fight their case, but they have nothing on us. All the signs are clear. The bombshells have been dropped. We know for a fact that the SEC and their case is falling apart in front of our faces and underneath them. So with that being said, I think when we talk about a $50 XRP, I think that will range, or I should say wage, on the idea that if XRP can get clarity by November or even the beginning of December, we will have a massive bull rally throughout December all the way into February, similar to the 2017-2018 bull run where we ended up ranging into January. But I think February will be the ending point for us because I think there will be so much FOMO happening to the point where the price will just continue to launch as we do see more and more news come out. Now, once we do get clarity, be careful because that means more US-based customers will be jumping on the ship. That will be more, relistings of XRP, and there will be so much massive media outlet news regarding XRP that nearly everybody will want to jump on the ship. So with that being said, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you guys do want more free content, you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. I hope that you all have a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are in this beautiful world. This has been Nick. Peace out, guys.